G, I think we got one.
I need your lifestyle. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't play with me. Dale.
Never nigga hard as me. Never nigga hard as me. Pull up in the MRT. Pull up in the MRT. Put that little bitch on E. Never nigga hard as me. Never nigga hard as me. Pull up in the MRT. Never nigga hard as me. Never nigga hard as me.
What it do, YouTube, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. Back with another video. I said I'm back with another video. Yes, sir, man. So we had to come up here to welcome our part, man. We had a car meet. It was a mandatory meeting, so we all up here, man. The squad, the whole squad up here. Look at these folks here. Police always got a trip. Yes, we up here at Welcome All Park though, man. Show y'all the mean lineup we got so far. Got the RT thing right here. MOPAR MAFI, man, only a bit. You're in a part of it. MOPAR MAFI. If you don't got it, you're not a part of the team. Got the 345. Got the 345 thing right here, man. 345 thing. Got the RT thing. I done seen this car plenty of time. Just seen it around. Got this yellow thing right here, man. Instagram right here, man. Y'all go follow him on Instagram. Oh yeah, this is my boy Smash too. This is my boy Smash. Y'all go follow him on Instagram too. Got the tire letters on that thing. Clean. Y'all already know this car. 345 pounder. I've seen this car plenty of time. 345 thing, you know, he got the Ruchis on there. Don't play with him. You already know that ant thing, the ant car. No, that ant car down there. Got this HEMI thing up here though. All black. LA 300. 953, y'all already know him. He was on the first video. Y'all make sure y'all go follow him on Instagram too. My boy here, 57 Few. Go follow him on Instagram. He was on my first video too. Instagram 57 Few. And my boy Ant Live. Got everything straight now. Everybody got the lights except me. I need to go and get my lights in. Y'all make sure I go follow him on Instagram too. Instagram @Live Atlanta. I go follow him too. Got this scat thing right here, man. MOPAR MAFI. Got this scat thing. And screen. They got me at the end because I came a little late, but shit. This the lineup, man. Got everybody lined up. Yes, sir, man. So I'm just starting off the intro, so y'all stay tuned. We finna stay around, ride around the city. See in a minute.
I'm talking about both niggas to turn their head and see who they see.
I
Yeah,
see the squad, man.
He's a real driver.
Just waiting up for everybody to get here now, man. So we just kicking shit right now, just talking. Got the whole squad up here. Yes, sir. Everybody here, man.
Nate, so we just waiting on Nate.
We waiting on Nate? What's up, y'all? We waiting on Nate.
Yeah.
I don't even know who Nate is.
Who put him on?
Hey, where we finna go? Alright, y'all. Shit, we just got done with the little meeting we just had. I couldn't record the meeting because that shit was just, you know, it's personal shit, so you can't have too much going on. Got my boy Sound Fuel with me, man.
Y'all know what's going on,
Yeah,
man.
you already know what's going
Everybody know YouTube, man, Instagram, FIVE, the number 7, PHEW.
Follow him now, man. Yes, sir, man. We got the gang out here. Shit, we just head around the city for a little while, man. Just ride the city for a little minute. We just had a little meeting. We can't let y'all hear it because, you know, there's some personal shit going on in the meeting. But hey, man, y'all stay tuned. Finna go down, got some little footage down riding and everything. Got some more people coming down at the meet us, so stay tuned. I need to head up front. Team like this big. Make sure y'all follow my Instagram, man. Cool, I Need Your Lifestyle. Instagram and YouTube. Follow me now. up at Dreams. Dreams already full. So we'll see how they work. Everybody coming up here. Alright, y'all see how we pull up in Dreams.
See, I think we got one.
Oh, for real.
Hey, let's do a video.
Yes, sir. Got everything lined up.
Name a nigga hard as me. Name a nigga hard as me.
345.
Pull up in the MRT. Pull up in the MRT. Put a little bitch on E. Name a nigga hard as me. Name a nigga hard as me. Pull up in the MRT. Name a nigga hard as me. Name a nigga hard as me. Pull up in the MRT. Pull up in the MRT. Put a little bitch on E. Name a nigga hard as me. Name a nigga hard as me. Pull up in the MRT. Thinking about joining the NASCAR, driving that bitch like a drag car, investing and stacking this paper, staying away from these haters. Ride with them 4-5, put the little bitch on your tailor. Ride with them 4-5, put the little bitch on your tailor. Twerk they catching no to me. Common times is all I see, just trying to feed my family. Tripping steak is all I eat, getting millions rapidly. Supercharged, gotta keep, that's the niggas constantly. It is money, man. Name a nigga hard as me. Name a nigga hard as me. Pull up in the MRT. Pull up in the MRT, put a little bitch on E. Name a nigga hard as me. Name a nigga hard as me. Pull up in the MRT. Name a nigga hard as me. Name a nigga hard as me. Pull up in the MRT. Pull up in the MRT. Put a little bitch on E. Name a nigga hard as me. Name a nigga hard as me. Pull up in the MRT.
Lay back in the wheel, just swerving. Young nigga tryna get it on worthy. I ain't even gotta flex on getting it. I ain't even gotta flex on spending. They don't really wanna see me win. I'ma chasing that cash, I'ma chasing them binges. CJ in the cutout, dog with the HEMI. I ain't never speaking, I ain't never been friendly. I'ma always be real, can't switch up. I'ma always be real, can't switch up. Hit me with a kick, gon' lift up. Yeah, want a whole lot of cash and a whole lot of bags. Bad little bitch with a whole lot of ass. I done seen me and broke, I ain't never going back. Spending that shit, I'ma get it right back.
Name a nigga hard as me. Name a nigga hard as me. Pull up in the MRT.
So I was trying to use, just a little shit they had on there. That shit, look at his phone. Look at his phone.
That's an iPhone?
No.
Hell no, that's an Android.
Damn.
That nigga down there red
I
lobster,
can't
bro.
even see red lobster.
No, my shit is zoomed in.
What the fuck? And that's all the way down there.
Let me see how you get red lobster? Uh-oh, he going. He going. He going. Oh, that's all he going. Stop right there. But I think I can see red lobster. I think I can see
A little bit clear. Oh, hi, baby.
That shit clear. You try to zoom in the red lobster.
Yeah, I seen this shit. That shit clear.
Yeah, though, man, we out here.
Hey, there go Bun right there.
How you doing?
But I already know what he's trying to do. He want to get in there and run you.
We got the whole squad out here, though, man.
He better get up on the ground.
Y'all boys see the line up, boy. We out just vibing, though. We got everybody over there, but we got now too full. Yeah, that going on YouTube. Just gave my boy the diffuser, man. Y'all make sure y'all go there on Instagram. Go follow him. That boy sick. Y'all see, y'all already got mine on there. Y'all see, y'all already got mine. Yeah, on fit it up on next to it, see? Is it compatible? Yeah, that's him. That's him.
Popping that bitch on that knife.
Got to. All you gotta do, you gotta get some screws. Oh yeah. Just look it up on YouTube. We'll show you how to do it, Jay.
I know how to do it.
Yeah, you gotta take them bitches out. Yeah. I did my shit myself. I took all my shit off. Took it out myself. That shit is simple hell. It clamped right back on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Shit, my cash out money sign. Yeah, we out here though, man. We deep out here. I see us.
What it is?
Very scared. Got that glow thing, 392 thing right here, man. Got this thing right here, man. 392 thing. Make sure y'all follow his Instagram. There you go right there. Divine. The Wood Man. Scat man. SIT scat thing. Got a 392 with the rally stripes on there. Got the glowing lights at the bottom. 392 scat. 392 scat thing. Got the other 392. It's a Challenger. Thing clean though. Got the 392 with a beehive on it. 392 going down. Got the major look on there, boy. It's to the squad though, bro. I don't play with us. That's the panel got the red lights on. Match them eyes about 245. Deep though. I showed you that one that time. They already know what's going on. follow me on Instagram and YouTube, man. Who I need your lifestyle.
Y'all know that Georgia weather. That Georgia weather gonna be raining for like 10 minutes. It gonna be raining for a little 10 minutes. Then we gonna be alright. Is that Mr. Swinging? Is that Mr. Swinging in this motherfucker? Oh! Yes, sir. I think that's Mr. Swinging in this motherfucker. Go ahead with it. That bitch lowered. You get another goal. As many goals. Unlimited gold. Shit beat in this motherfucker. Shit beat. Shit beat. Go ahead. That bitch lowered. Look at that fitment. Look at that fit. Oh, yes, sir. That bitch gonna go. That bitch gonna go. Best believe. Yes, you did. You showed up for this, well. Do we give a motherfucker? Hell no.
Put a little bitch on E. Name a nigga hard as me. Name a nigga hard as me. Pull up in the MRT. Name a nigga hard as me. Name a nigga hard as me. Pull up in the MRT. Pull up in the MRT. Put a little bitch on E. Name a nigga hard as me. Name a nigga hard as me. Pull up in the MRT. Thinking about joining the NASCAR, driving it be like a drag car, investing and stacking this paper, staying away from these haters. Ride with a 4-5, put the little bitch on your tailor. Ride with a 4-5, put the little bitch on your tailor.
Today, ladies and gentlemen. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We staying safe. We having fun. We celebrating Pop's birthday today, ladies and gentlemen. We out there, ladies and gentlemen.
I think we got one.
Yeah, we got one. Think about joining the NASCAR. Jumping a bit like a drag car. Jumping a bit like a drag car. Oh, we got one. Name a nigga hard as me. Name a nigga hard as me. Pull up in the HEMI. Pull up in the HEMI. Put that little bitch on E.
I keep it out with me. You know I'm trying to get it.
They kept me slipping. I keep it AR with me. I'm trying to get it. Now way up to the ceiling. Don't hit my line.